Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can fix Overwatch 2 voice chat problem on the PlayStation 5. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on the PlayStation 5, and this is how the homepage looks like. Here in the top, you're gonna find all of the sections. Here you're gonna find games, media, search, settings, and here you're gonna find your profile icon. So right now, go ahead and click on settings. And then once you do that, right here, you're gonna find all of the settings on your device. Here you're gonna find accessibility, network, users and account, family and parental control, system, storage, sound, screen and video. Go ahead and click on sound. And then once you do that, right here, you're gonna find your microphone settings, audio output, 3D audio on TV speakers, 3D audio on headphones, and lastly, volume. Go ahead and click on microphone. And then here you're gonna find input device settings. First of all, go ahead and click on input device and make sure you select the mic that you're using. In my case, I'm using only the microphone on controller. Right now we're gonna go back. Here you're gonna find just microphone level. You can go right here, click on microphone level for microphone on controller, and then as you can see guys, you can either increase it or decrease it. You can go back here. Right here you're gonna find microphone status when logged in. You can set it to on or to mute. This setting might not work for some devices that have mute functions. You're gonna find also microphone status when starting voice chat or broadcast. You can either choose don't change or switch to mute. Right here, you're gonna find some other settings. For example, the audio output. You can choose your audio output right here. You can switch output device automatically, HDMI device type, and so on. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.